SodaWorks, blast equipment and media. Renowned for our ruggedly engineered soda blasting systems. Designed and fabricated in the USA for extreme efficiency and effectiveness. Uses just one 50-pound bag of media an hour or less without affecting production. Our blasting systems have a wide array of applications, allowing for effective cleaning and surface preparation on nearly any substrate. Here are a few demo examples. Smoke damage removal on a steel substrate. Mold removal in a crawl space. Smoke damage removal on wood, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Tar removal on thin-gauge aluminum storage tanks. Paint and filler removal on auto body. Multi-layer paint removal on aluminum trailer panels. Adhesive label removal on a glass surface. Fire damage removal on OSB plywood. Paint removal on steel roofing panels. Aged paint removal on wood. Finish coating removal on a wood door. Sun-baked paint overspray on brittle 50-year-old glass. Dirt, grime, and stains on 50-year-old wood. Dirt, grime, and stains on a masonry brick. One word to describe SodaWorks equipment?
I'm going to use the hyphen word. Game changer.
Can you share a recent loss example?
With this machine, we were able to send 2 guys out there for 2 days on a $22,000 job and only use 7 bags of media. Over 2 days, we were able to reach a profit margin of about 80%.
What do adjusters say about it?
They are actually thoroughly surprised with the effectiveness and the efficiency of the machine. But when an adjuster sees that, it does tend to lead to more work, and we've seen that.
Has having appropriate equipment created new opportunities for you?
So this allows us to take on bigger projects in more industrial style buildings and knock them out way faster.
How much SodaWorks equipment do you run currently?
Right now, we currently operate 3 mobile units.
What do your operators say about SodaWorks equipment?
The operators that I have, I've pulled them in from different blast companies and things like that over the years, and they're amazed at just the simplicity of the equipment and how it doesn't break. You fire it up and it works.
What do you like best about SodaWorks equipment?
One is the efficiency of it. It's the most efficient piece of equipment I've ever operated as far as in the blasting industry. Secondly, the downtime is just not even worth discussing in most cases because it just doesn't go down.
What advice would you give to other businesses interested in soda blasting?
I would just ask them, do you want to have a successful business or not? Because if you want a successful business, you've got to control your costs, you've got to control your downtime, you've got to be able to do good production work and make the least amount of mess or dust contamination as possible. And this is by far the best piece of equipment on the market to do that.
Have questions? Want to learn more? Get in touch with us. Visit us at sodaworks.com, email us at help@sodaworks.com, or call us at 888-910-7632.